Hello, this is your old pal Jim here from Jim K's Vids. In this video, I'm filming it differently, as you can probably see, with a low quality DSLR. I just wanted to do a video real fast, see what I can film with this. But now I'm going to compare the GoPro Hero 7 with the Hero 3. Now this camera's going to die, I'm going to get another battery. Now, these cameras are very similar in their own ways. And then this is not at all a video test, so I don't think I'm going to do a video comparison. Now the Hero 7, as you can probably see, this is the Hero 7 White. Okay, now as you probably see, they're both white models. Okay, so the Hero 7 White is the most latest and greatest camera. It films tremendous 1080p video in 4K. This is the Hero 3. Now I've had this Hero 3 for several years now. Alright, so the Hero 3 has pretty good video, but it's very contrasty. It's not in the best video quality. This, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. Now, this isn't the latest and greatest GoPro, so basically you don't get a whole lot out of this. This is a good choice, and so is this. Now, the Hero 7 White, as you can see, over the years they've updated the camera. Okay, it looks a lot more modernized. And here's the Hero 3. Now, it looks pretty modern itself. As you can see, like the design and everything. Except the camera. The camera looks kind of increased. This looks outcreased. Now, it's kind of hard to explain that. But as you see, with the Hero 3, when this thing came out, you had to basically get a back LED screen, plug it in here. The Hero 7 is all built in. Okay, I think it's either audio port or a light indicator, mode button, speaker, and this right here is the door that opens up. Now, let me just get this Hero 3 thing off. You see, this is just a standard USB import. This is a micro HDMI. You don't get that on the Hero 7. But the Hero 7 does have a micro SD slot, and it has a USB Type-C port, which is pretty new. It's been out for a while. Now, for a guy like me who's still new to the who's still getting used to having a camera like this to a camera like this. This is all new to me, so I'm still getting used to it. So basically, I've gotten used to this camera, just not entirely. I'm loving this a lot more than Hero 3. Now, which one do I recommend? Well, this is a budget camera. Okay, this only costs $100. You can get this for like 60 bucks, but only because of its price. The Hero 7, but on the other hand, is a very good camera for its price. Okay, now there's limited features. Okay, it doesn't really have the best battery life, but I don't let that bug me. I don't let that stop me. Now the Hero 7 also has voice control. Now that's pretty good for its price, since this thing only came with the camera itself and a few other things. Alright. It can also be used as a camcorder. You can record using this button right here. And, yeah. You know, compared to Hero 3, this thing has Wi-Fi. So you could go on your phone, you could like record, take over it and everything, manual control. Okay. But like I said, the battery life on this thing doesn't last very long, so recording huge videos wouldn't be a good option, opposed to this, which, you know, battery life is a thing that lasts an entire day. Filming in 1080p does drain battery power, but I would say it's a lot more efficient to use a Hero 7 if you're going to record a high quality video. And then this is already going to die. This camera, but I just want to say, is it works really good with iOS devices such as the iPad Pro. Now, what do I recommend? Okay. Now, I would choose this over this, only because the Hero 7 has done me really good in video quality. But we all have our own opinions. So, that being said, that's just a basic comparison. I'll be doing a follow-up video of this since the camera battery is going to die in a minute. So, that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll be doing more compare and contrast like this in the future. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to peace out.